Type your text. Go to Window. Pathfinder. Click on the striped icon and select Make Compound Shape. You can change the text color by adjusting the fill. Add a new fill. Make the top fill white. Select the white fill. Click on the FX icon. Path. Offset path. Make the offset -6 pixels. Select the white fill. Click on the FX icon. Distort and transform. Transform. Horizontal and vertical move, 2 pixels. Make one copy. Select the white fill. Click on the FX icon. Pathfinder. -back. Place -back below transform. You can adjust the text while keeping the highlights. And that's how you add highlights to your text.